Hi, Srivali.
Hi, Shanti.
So, today let us see what is the evaluation of data science roles in generative AI era and their salary comparison also, so that we'll come to know which one to pick up also. So, the evaluation of data science roles in the generative AI era, a salary comparison. A generative AI reshapes the landscape of data science. Traditional roles are evolving, leading to new opportunities and challenges. This transformation not only affects job responsibilities but also impacts salary structures across various data science roles. In this article, we will compare the salaries of traditional data science roles with those emerging in the generative AI. Now, first one is data scientist. From data wrangling to AI strategy. So, traditional role is data scientists have historically focused on data cleansing, analysis, and model deployment. It
Mm-hmm.
means you need to identify first what data need to be collected, and you need to make sure data is cleaned and it is baselined it. Then data analysis will be done through particular programs. Then there is a model deployment, development will be there. Then training will happen. Then after that, there will be deployment. So these
Mm-hmm.
all are traditional roles with the data scientist activities. In generative AI role, what are the things? With the rise of generative AI, the responsibilities are shifting towards strategic tasks such as training Gen AI models and developing data strategies. So this data cleaning is inbuilt in this generative AI activity basically. Analysis
Mm-hmm.
also it is inbuilt. Then model development, we need to do it and deploy it basically after giving testing kind of thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
training and testing. So the salary comparison is traditional data scientist salary approximately 198K USD per year.
Mm-hmm.
The generative AI model trainer salary is expected to range between 110 to 160 per year. You can see the difference here itself,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So data analyst, next one is from insights to AI-driven business intelligence. Traditional role is data analysts have been asked with extracting insights from data and generating reports for decision making. You take a typical big data projects or data warehouse projects, the data analyst role is you need to extract the data from different tables and consolidate it and submit to data marts kind of databases for business users usage. So the generative AI role is here for data analyst. They are transitioning into generative AI insights analyst, utilizing AI tools to uncover trends and develop AI-driven business intelligence solutions. Basically, we have seen some tools where it cleans the data also, it make the quality data file, that kind of things. So those are built-in
Mm-hmm.
algorithms in generative AI. We discussed that topic also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the traditional data analyst salary is approximately 80K to 120K. In generative AI, analyst salary expected to range between 80 to 120 per year with potential for increase as AI tools become more integrated. It means the more AI tools, if he learns it, it will be more than that. This obviously,
Yeah.
right? Then data architect. Designing generative AI ready infrastructures is the activity, main activity. Traditional role is data architects design and implement data architectures for various applications. So how to use
Mm-hmm.
data, where to get it, how to fine tune it, how to clean it, how to segregate the consolidate the data after segregation. Then all those will be there. So with those things, they'll be implementing data architecture for various applications. So what is the generative AI role? They are now tasked with creating infrastructures that support generative AI applications, ensuring data quality and compliance. See, if you see here, they're talking about infrastructure of generative AI. What is the infrastructure? Let us say you have done some predictive analytics related activity transformation from Azure ML to generative AI. We have seen many solution discussions, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that infrastructure we are creating it to convert into generative AI. Basically, it is not cloud infrastructure; It is related with the generative AI infrastructure, which is having the built-in ML algorithms. Is
Mm.
it right?
Yeah.
Right? So
Mm-hmm.
ensuring data quality and compliance is there with these infrastructures. Basically, whatever the options we are going to use in GenAI services, it is going to take in care with the built-in algorithms. So what is the salary comparison? Approximately 140K to 180K. It is the traditional data architect salary. The
Mm-hmm.
generative AI data infrastructure designer salary expected to be similar with potential increase based on the complexity of GenAI systems. It means uh, it is not correct, but it should be more than 150 or 160 to 200 plus K. Okay, it is not given correctly here. So, what is the data engineer? The from data pipelines to generative AI model engineering, he does it. Traditional role is data engineers focus on building, maintaining data pipelines. What is the data pipeline? Basically, downstream systems data, they are pulling it from mainframes and some other applications into data rows architecture. It is going to be put into the staging environment. Then from there, ETL process will be done. Then it is going to work. It is going to be uh, uh, consolidated for data marts purpose. So that is the traditional role for using the data pipelines. So
Mm.
generative AI role is they are evolving into generative AI model engineers responsible for deploying and scaling AI models. So here the same thing, pipelines, whatever you are using the traditional model, data pipelines, Azure data pipeline, you can connect to the generative AI model and you can build that and you can scale up the AI model also. Like you want to increase the data size, data file
Mm-hmm.
size or record size, yes, you can apply that also, right? So the model is trained it with samples also. The samples can be built by tool itself. If you give some sample data, some more samples, it will be building it automatically. So salary comparison is 120K to 160K per year. It is not given the upgraded a Gen A salary. It should be higher basically. Generative AI model engineer salary expected to remain in the same range, reflecting the increased demand for AI expertise. Okay,
Mm.
it should be more actually. The statistician, from statistical analysis to generative AI model improvement. Traditional role is statistician, analyze data to provide insights and support decision making. Complete statistical analysis is done by this guy, the statistician. But
Mm-hmm.
now all the statistics are built in within the generative AI services as algorithms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you want to see uh, variance analysis, yes, it is having its own algorithm in particular service. So those
Mm-hmm.
services they are going to use it. So generative AI role is they are becoming generative AI statisticians, focusing on improving model performance and explainability. So all those they are going to automate it basically the past activities. Salary comparison is 190K to 140K. The Gen AI statistician salary expected to see similar or slightly higher salaries as demand for AI related statistical skills increases. So in reality, the statisticians are less in many projects, but the need they need to see when Gen AI is there, whether do they need statisticians really. Scientific research wise, if they are using ML, yes, obviously statisticians are required for research areas.
Mm-hmm.
Business areas, it is not required because small activities will be there. So, database administrators, from database management to Gen AI, database administration is going to do that. A traditional role is the DBA manage and maintain databases. What are the databases? The
Mm-hmm.
legacy databases, whatever they are supplying to the ML models, and they are maintaining that under database servers, right? So,
Mm.
but when they move to cloud, it is not required this particular role also. Why this role is existing? Maybe with the traditional setup it is given. The generative AI role, they are transitioning into roles that support generative AI applications focusing on performance and security. It means data performance and security, they are going to use it. with DBA guys. Okay. So salary comparison is 80 to 120K. The Gen AI data administration salary expected to be in the same range with opportunities for growth as AI integration become essential. It means the data management, if they are required to manage, as DBS are required. Okay. So business analyst, from business process improvement to Gen AI strategy, they are working in Gen AI areas. Traditional role is BA improve processes and provide insights for decision making. Yes, obviously. In Gen AI role, they are evolving into Gen AI business consultants, helping organizations leverage AI for strategic advantages.
Mm-hmm.
So they are going to scale up those activities into Gen AI basically. Salary comparison is 80K to 120K. Gen AI business consultant salary expected to remain similar with potential increase as AI strategies become more critical. So it means in BA role, if they want to use the AI more, yes, they are going to increase depends on the need basis. So project basis increase will be there. So traditional role is here. Another role is data and analytics manager, from team management to generative AI strategy. Traditional role is data and analytics managers who oversee teams and project related to data analysis. Yes, obviously. In Gen AI, they are becoming Gen AI strategy managers, focusing on implementing AI strategies across organizations. So
Mm-hmm.
they will work as a practitioners,
Mm-hmm.
Gen AI strategy managers,
Mm.
practitioners for the data and analytics basically. Yeah, your question. What is the question?
No, no, no question.
Okay. So traditional data analytics manager salary approximately is 150 to 200K. Gen AI manager salary is expected to be in the same range, reflecting the strategic importance of AI initiatives in the project basically. So the rise of Gen AI is transforming traditional data science roles, leading to new career opportunities and challenges. While many salaries remain comparable, the demand for skilled related to Gen AI is likely to drive compensation higher in future. So by upskilling and adapting these changes, data science professionals can thrive in the evolving landscape and unlock the full potential of these revolutionary technologies. So here, if we
Mm-hmm.
see overall, uh, which role we can consider? Okay, actually, there
Mm-hmm.
is one AI architect. It is not coming here in this area, data science, because comparison is given here due to that. But AI architect is related with Gen AI only. Gen AI or partially Azure ML kind of things. We have seen that job description also, right?
Yeah.
So some of these activities are going to be performed by that role guy also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's all about this. So we are going to see this. We'll stop it. We'll see other activities.